Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to another video. So, as I have read by the title, your girl is going to be doing a makeup routine, my everyday makeup routine, showing y'all how I do my makeup every single day. Well, pretty much every single day. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, this is my everyday look. I'm going to be showing y'all. So, for the beginners out there that's trying to learn how to do makeup, follow along with me and learn. Like, I'm still learning. Piece of hair in my mouth. I'm still learning myself. I'm not an expert, so I do know how to do the basics. So that's all that matters. I know how to make myself look good. So I'm about to show y'all how to do my makeup every day. So if you're interested, keep watching. You have about like 100 pack of hairbos, and they just get lost. Like, I don't know. Like, if losing things, like on the list of losing things, I think that herbals will be the top on the list. So I'm gonna just put it back some kind of way. All right, I think that's good. All right, y'all. So the first thing I do is my eyebrows, and as y'all can see, I barely have eyebrows, so I basically gotta fill them in. So I use a brown eyeliner pencil, y'all. It's about gone because you're gonna be using it up. And I got this from the dollar store. It was only $1, so you ain't gotta go out and spend too much money on the eyebrow pencil. I see a lot of females use the dollar pencil. So I just brush up my eyebrows. I just shape them. All right, after I finish shaping them, I just brush them up and over. Sometimes I don't really worry about if they uneven, because the concealer can fix all that. So, boom, that's that. And next I go on with my concealer, y'all. And this is from Neutrogena. It is in the shade Chai Deep 1. So this is the concealer that I use. I use this under my eyebrows. And I always use like my foundation to go over, because I feel like you should always use a darker shade at the top. So going in with my concealer. So next I just take my beauty blender and just blend that in. Then I'm going to take my foundation. It's in the color Hot Cocoa. It's from Color Perfect. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to do the same thing I did under here, but I'm just using foundation. So I'm going to shape the top just to make it a little cleaner. All right, y'all. So after I do my eyebrows, I do my eyelashes. So I'm about to put on my lashes. And I'm using hair glue, y'all. Ooh. So yeah, I don't really do foundation in my everyday makeup routine. I just take my concealer, I put it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bone, and my chin, and I just blend it out. So there's no need for me to put on foundation, because I like the no foundation look. That's just me. Everybody's different, so do what y'all like. I just feel like I don't need foundation. So I just blend this out. I just remembered something, y'all. I forgot to put on my primer. I knew it was something I forgot. But sometimes if I forget to put on my primer, I just put it over it. Like, I just put it on top. But I don't feel like doing that. I'm going to just leave it like it is. So, yeah, I skipped that step. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. Put it under my eyes. My eyeliner is done. Next, I go in. I don't really know what this part is. I don't really know what this part is called, but I like to go like in the corner of my eyes and do like a little highlight, because I feel like it make my eyes a little smaller, make it look cute. What I would do is my lips, which is like my favorite part. I feel like it brings the whole look together. So first I outline it with eyeliner pencil, and this color is black brown. I could use black brown or brown. I don't use black. I never use black. I might need to try black, but this is black brown. So oh shoot. Okay. All right, so my lips are outlined, and the last thing I would do is add my lip gloss. Now I use two different lip glosses because I don't really have the color that I want, so I gotta mix two different colors. So let me show y'all the colors that I use. All right, y'all, so these are the lip glosses that I use, and they are from LA Colors. I don't know what color, I don't know what the color is, but when I go in the store, I know what to look for. So I know exactly which ones I need. So first I go in with this one, this pink one, and I just dab it on. Then I go in with this one. And boom, this is my everyday makeup look, y'all. What y'all think? Would y'all do y'all makeup like this? So this is how I do my makeup every day. And y'all, I did a makeup, like a makeup routine like some months ago, and I look back at it, I was like, ew. I can't believe I was doing my makeup like that. But I'm only getting better and better. I still got more learning and growing to do when it comes to makeup. So I like this. Hey, period. This is my look. I don't contour. I don't do all that. I just don't. Maybe one day I will, but for right now I don't do all that and all that blush and stuff like that. I feel like this is good for me for now. So this is it. That's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. And I will see y'all on the next one. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe.